I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal readings. Let's check po kung ano po ang update sa buhay-buhay. So pasensya na ha, nagkasakit tayo at nawalan tayo ng boses. So medyo garalgal pa rin pero pagpasensyahan nyo na kesa sa wala, okay? So I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours, and I want you to know that this is a timeless reading din, no? So kung kailan nyo po ito napanood, this reading is meant to find you with the Page of Cups. So ang nakikita natin, supposedly dapat meron tayong mga gustong mangyari, no? Meron tayong mga dreams, aspirations in life na sabihin natin, ito yung gusto ko mangyari sa akin in the future or sa amin in the future. Pero bakit parang nawala, naubos, hindi, parang nawawalan tayo ng gana? Parang yung enthusiasm natin mababa, no? With the Six of Wands, parang instead of ang taas ng expectations. Ang taas ng expectations natin dito sa relationship. Parang what is happening right now? Parang sinasabi natin, I didn't sign up for this, no? I really am not signing up for this. Iba yung pangako, iba yung nangyayari, no? Probably si person may mga pangako sa atin. At first, parang ang galing sa una. At first, parang, uy, okay to ha. No? Pero nung you bite into the promise, parang you felt like, uy, para naman ako na-scam. No? Parang iba yung sinabi niya sa nangyayari with the Ace of Cups. Ang medyo masakit dito, mahal mo na. No? Ang masakit dito, nakapag-invest na tayo ng time, energy, effort, emotions. Kumbaga, ibinigay mo, ibinuhos mo 100%, no? Ang emotion mo. With the Two of Cups, even to a point na siguro sinabi mo sa sarili mo, this is the person that I am going to grow up with, to grow old with. For a few numbers of you, baka nga you already walked down the aisle, you sign up a contract, marriage is already there, built a family. If there's no marriage, then probably you already built a family. May parang sabihin natin, wala pa man yung proposal, pero you know, you might be in a cohabitation with this person, with the Queen of Pentacles. So yun na nga, ibinigay natin ang lahat. Kumbaga, yung mga promises niya, no, nitong person na ito, ikaw ang nag-fulfill. So, this is what I want to do. Siguro ito yung sinasabi ni person, no? This is what I want to do in our relationship. I want to travel. I want to have a good, house, cars, what have you. Maybe not just material things. It could be business. And parang ikaw, na-lure doon sa sa magandang vision. Ang ganda ng vision. I can even feel the vision is sincere. Talagang pangmatagalang relationship. So, it felt like, yeah, I bought into that, no? It just so happened, ngayon, with the Queen of Pentacles, nandoon ka na. Ikaw ang bumubuo. So, parang binigyan ka lang ng plan. So, this is sort of like what it's kind of look like in layman's term. Gusto ko ng magandang bahay. I probably said, etong part na to, no? Ito magiging kitchen, magkakaroon tayo dito ng veranda, no? Magkakaroon tayo dito ng patio, what have you. It I mean the pitch is enticing. And then no, parang sinabi mo, sige, I agreed with you, no? Meron na tayong relationship. Ang nangyayari ngayon, ako yung bumubuo. Parang napapansin ko, nagising ka na lang na parang, ay sandali. Ang puhunan niya laway, no? Pero yung materials and the effort was all on me. Parang bigla ka na lang nagising sa ganong situation with the Ten of Swords. I don't know what's the reason behind it, pero para kang naka-helmet, para kang nabagok, nauntog, and then suddenly, bigla mong na-feel na, uy, this should stop, no? It's not right. That I'm not sure of how these things happen. Let's clarify the Ten of Swords, the Star, and the Temperance. This might be a download from your subconscious, from the higher self, from the universe, what have you. Siguro din meron din itong itong person natin, no? Merong mga ginawang mga bagay na feeling mo na dehado tayo. And then bigla mong naisip, sandali, I am the one who's bringing food to the table, no? Tapos ako yung madedehado. It doesn't sound right, it doesn't look right, and it's not actually right, no? It's not about a ego. It's not about, about the money that I bring home, but it shouldn't happen. Morally, parang ako dapat ang merong say, no? Ako dapat yung, kumbaga, I was the one who should rule the relationship, not my person, the devil card. Does this person really brings the monster in you? Not really in a bad way. You're probably, sabihin nating, mirroring the person's energy. With the devil card kasi, there may be things that you're not doing that you're already doing right now, and you're even surprising yourself that hindi naman ako ganito dati, no? This should stop because it felt like this is sort of like breaking me, no? This is not an improvement of myself. This is actually a downgrade with the Ten of Pentacles and the Nine of Swords. So, I become all exhausted in this relationship. Even my savings, no, were actually affected by this relationship. Again, we're not just talking about the money. We're talking about the right na siguro, no, yung karapatan ko. It doesn't seem humane at all. So with the Seven of Swords, I feel like medyo meron tayong mga madidiscover na ano tayo ha, Um, we might feel like abused, used, taken advantage of. Uh, oh wow, ang heavy, no? Heavy talaga. Ang heavy. Ang heavy nitong reading na ito dahil it felt like someone was used for someone else's, how do I say this, benefit, no? The Page of Swords and the Queen of Swords. Parang for a few numbers of you, parang inilagay ka pa sa isang situation na you cannot even back off. You cannot turn down. Probably you sign up a contract, no? Yun nga yung sinabi ko, whether this is marriage or whether this is a literal contract na hindi mo pwedeng baliin, no? Kasi nga ito ay kontrata na. So, meron itong stamp of, ang tawag dito, notaryo, no? The Three of Pentacles, all you just wanted is, siguro iniisip mo ngayon, paano ko napunta sa isang ganitong situation? Patay ko nangamot yung ulo. Kasi it felt like hindi ko to ginusto. Since nandito na gusto, ang ano ko na lang dito, gusto ko matapos na lang. And then probably I can start, no? My journey alone with the Page of Pentacles. I feel like you are really doing this journey, or you have a plan of having a journey of your own. Once this relationship or this mess was done, settled, I feel like what you want to do here is to start anew, no? This is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Pwede ring lumabas ang inyong zodiac sign. Pero bago yan, kung nakaka-resonate po kayo dito sa reading na ito, sa description box, no, ng video na ito, there's a link to my website. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1. Kasi nga po, discounted na yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Let's check the zodiac sign now. I am seeing Taurus, Sagittarius, Virgo. I am seeing Gemini, Capricorn, Sagittarius, napaka-dominant. Aquarius is here. Pisces. I am seeing Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn. This is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling the stars align. I am Daphne, also known as Papa Island. Standing in my own design.